Guys, look at this. This is my Hisense TV right now. The sound is working perfectly fine, but the screen, it looks like a modern art piece gone completely wrong. What happened? Well, long story. In short, my daughter was playing nearby with a gaming stick, gave it a medium intensity tap, and boom. It worked fine for 2 minutes, and then this happened. Today we are going to try everything to save it. Can I save it or is it completely dead? Let's find out. Okay, step number one, the classic HDMI swap. Sometimes a bad HDMI port or a glitched receiver can send corrupted signals that look like hardware failure. Let's unplug it from HDMI 1 and move it to HDMI 2. Come on, give me some magic. Nothing, zero change. The lines are holding strong. Time to go deeper. Step number 2, the legendary hard reset. For this, we have found this tiny transparent power button hidden right under the Hisense logo. First, we pull the plug from the wall. No power at all. Now we hold this button for a solid 30 seconds to drain all the remaining electricity from capacitors. Yes, exactly the same. The lines are back and they look even more permanent than before. So, what's the diagnosis? Even though the outer glass feels completely smooth and has no cracks, the internal LCD panel is toast. The impact from the stick caused a microfracture inside, and soon as the TV warmed up, after 2 minutes, the liquid crystals spread out and destroyed the matrix. Can it be fixed? Technically, yes, if you replace the whole panel. But the new panel costs almost as much as brand new TV, so there is absolutely no point. The final verdict: there is nothing left to do. It is best just to throw it in the trash. If you enjoy watching me fail to save this TV, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech experiments, hopefully with better luck next time. And see you in the next one. Bye!